There is a hadith in which Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam states that Allah likes three people and smiles at them. When his unit flees the battlefield, he faces the enemy alone, and either he is martyred or Allah grants him victory. Allah tells the angels, "Look at my servant and see how he fights for my cause, how patient and tolerant he is for my cause." The second category is a man with a beautiful woman in a comfortable bed who wakes up in the middle of the night. Allah says, "He gives up his desires and remembers me, and if he wants, he would have continued sleeping." The third category is a group of people who travel and fall asleep late at night while standing up in prayer, whether in ease or hardship. These are the three types that Allah smiles or laughs at and Allah loves. These are the three types that Allah likes and makes smiles or laughs at. May Allah grant me and you a place among them.